friends, and hello fellow vintage lovers. Welcome to another haul video. This one is from garage sales and a local thrift store here in my town. I got to do a little bit of digging and I am super excited to show you guys everything that I picked up. There are a few hard goods, but it is mainly jewelry. So sorry to disappoint you hard good lovers. I'm going to go over each item and talk about each item. If you see something you're interested in, you can always send me an email, calypsoantiques@gmail.com, or leave a comment on the video. So without any further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get started. So we went to a wonderful garage sale here in town, and that is where I picked up this amazing purse. First of all, look at the colors. It is so beautiful. And on the inside, it is red. This is brand new. It has all these different zipper compartments. It is wonderful. Same pattern on the other side. It's just so cute. I'm not quite sure where it's from. Maybe somewhere in South America. But I got that. Then I got this crystal art piece. So I know that these can be really popular. I have never bought one before. I've never completed one. So I think I might actually go ahead and put this one together. I'm just curious. I know they were so popular during COVID, and I was just so busy caring for my grandmother who lived with us at the time that I never had time for things like this. But I'm assuming it has everything in it. I haven't looked it over fully. It's brand new. It's never been opened. I think I paid $6 for it. It's wonderful. So if I don't put it together myself, this will be offered up for sale. I figured it'd be a good stress reliever, listen to a podcast or something. I don't know. I just thought it might be fun. Then I picked up this. So this is from India. It's this amazing wood piece. Now I think this is some sort of wall art piece. It does have some beautiful mother of pearl inlay there. It's just wonderful. It looks like these holes on the back were probably to hang it on something. I'm not sure, but I love this paisley design. I think it's fabulous. Oops, as it falls, there we go. I just love it. If we put it up like this, you can see kind of the paisley design. It's beautiful. Then I got this egg. Now I do have a few of these that are in my personal collection, but I'm thinking about selling them as well as this one. This is likely marble. I haven't tried to determine if it's marble or obsidian, because it kind of looks like it could be. Maybe it's just trying to look like obsidian, but I picked it up because I know a lot of people love their stones and crystals, and I just thought that was super cool. There it is. There's no damage on it. And then the rest is jewelry. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start over here. I picked up this really cool necklace. Now this was in my jewelry sale yesterday. It has not sold yet, so if you're interested, you can always let me know. But this is a dyed shell. I love the pendant. I love this gold enameling or gold overlay on it. And it is on what appears to be a pewter chain. It has these two kind of champagne colored beads there. They are glass. That's Loretta. I'm telling you every time. If you watch this, Vanessa, there you go. Then I picked up this horse brooch, which I do collect horse brooches. I don't have this one yet. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to offer him for sale or not. I think he's wonderful. I love his tail. Now, I did clean him, and he needs another cleaning. Not sure if all this dirt and age is going to come off, but I tried to, restore him as best as I could. I love his red rhinestone eyes. He's just a great, great piece. He's not marked. I don't know who makes him, but he's wonderful. Then I got this vintage cameo. This was in the sale as well. This one has faux pearl and faux garnet. It's beautiful. Here is the back. It's not marked, but it is definitely vintage, and it is really, really pretty. Okay, then the last thing that was in my sale that hasn't sold yet is this beautiful art glass pendant with these flowers. It is so pretty. It comes on a 2-ribbon chain, and it's beautiful. I love it. I love the ribbons as well. Okay, So the rest of these items I got at the thrift store and at the garage sale. So I got this ring. I'll show you this one first. This is sterling. It tested as sterling. I thought it would. I did not see a marking on it. I have researched this one. It is vintage. One just like this recently sold for $40 on eBay. It's beautiful. So it's a southwesterny, possibly native design with this flower and turquoise in the middle. And it's kind of got, you know, this triangular geometric background. I just love this. I think it's really, really cool. Then here I picked up these sterling silver lion earrings. So I've been really into lions lately. I don't know why. Could it be because the Lion King is coming out? I'm not sure, but I just thought they were so freaking cute. So those are sterling. I got this. Now I think this is antique and I have not tested this one yet. This beautiful filigree. I think it's a bird. What do you guys think? It looks like it could be very old silver. I think it's antique. You can definitely see like a swallow if you look at it from the back. That's what I think it is. I think this is beautiful and I love it the way it is. So unless you tell me to polish it, I'm not going to polish it. Then I got these beautiful Mystic Topaz whale tail earrings. They are sterling as well. Look at how pretty this Mystic Topaz is. Absolutely gorgeous. And of course I love the tail as well. These are wonderful. Then I picked up these earrings. So these are abalone in sterling. And look at how pretty the abalone is in these. Look at all the different colors. Absolutely beautiful. I love these so much. Gorgeous. Then I got some pendants. So the first one I got is this really, really cool inlay pendant. I believe that's lapis and coral. I know for sure it's coral and I think that's lapis. I think this is beautiful. Here's the back of it. It is Mark 925 as well. Really, really cool. Then I got this vintage pendant. Now this is Mexican silver. It is Mark Mexico on the back. And this is turquoise inlay. Now this one has a really, really small hole or bail there. So I'm going to have to try to find a really, really thin necklace to go with this. Hopefully I have one. There's the Mexico marking there. Is that not awesome? I love that shape. It's very, very cool. Then, oh, I got two other pendants. I'm sorry. I got this Nefertiti, which I will probably keep. I do collect Egyptian jewelry. And look at her snake. She is amazing. Here is the back. She is probably from Egypt, but she is also 925. Then I got this wonderful Kokopelli pendant with the turquoise eye. I have not seen Kokopelli in this exact design before. I think it's cool. He's kind of like a hunchback Kokopelli. He is signed by the artist back there. He's incredible. Okay, so that's it for the pendants. I picked up this brooch. This is pewter, and is that a Brachiosaurus? You can feel free to correct me if I'm wrong. It's the herbivore dinosaur, but there's little bits of polished silver in there, or pewter, excuse me, like there on his knees and in the trees. I just thought he was amazing. He is not marked, I don't think. Well, yeah, there is something there. Have to research this guy a little bit more, but is he not amazing? I love him. Then I got these skull and crossbow earrings. These are sterling and CZ. I think they're beautiful. Not beautiful. I think they're really cool. And I thought with Halloween coming up, these might be fun to wear. Fun, fun, fun. Then I got, and this is just kind of staples, but I picked up 2 pairs of sterling hoops. When I can find them for a good deal, I do go ahead and get them. This is the first pair. They are marked. They need to be polished. And here is the other pair. These are great. So these are thick. Look at how thick they are. They are marked there, 925 Mexico. These are great. These are obviously thinner and I need to polish them. I did not notice that till I have them here. Then I got these sterling and amber earrings. These are wonderful. I love them. It was kind of hard to show the glow on these with the lighting in here, but there you go. On my end, I can see some glow. Amazing. These are beautiful. So these are onyx and marcasite, and these are sterling as well. I love marcasite. I love how it makes everything look antique. I just think it's beautiful, and I love the onyx there in the center as well as the flower post. Beautiful. These are cinnabar. So this is natural cinnabar and garnet, and these are sterling as well. How beautiful are these? I love them. If you like red, that is for you. Then I picked up this Native American beaded bolo. I love the Thunderbird here. Or is it an eagle? Not quite sure, but it's wonderful and I love it. These, oh my goodness, these are amazing. These are Art Deco style marcasite and amethyst earrings, and they are absolutely beautiful. Look at these. I love these so much. They're wonderful. Absolutely wonderful. Then I got these. So these are flower earrings. They drop. Let me try to show them a little bit better. And that is CZ in the center of the flower, as well as the leaves there. These are so pretty, guys. They're really, really pretty in person. These are CZ, and they are sterling. They're like little drop earrings. They're wonderful. They're post. What else do we have? I've got one more pair. These are amazing. So these are gold over silver, pink topaz, and white topaz on the sides. They would wear like this. Aren't they beautiful? Oh, I just love them. I think I showed everything. I think. I hope you guys can join me tomorrow. I will be on Sabrina's channel. She is Simon Says Let's Make a Deal. That sale is at 6 Eastern, 5 Central. And I hope everyone is having a wonderful, wonderful day. There will not be as many videos this week. For good reason. It is my birthday week and I have a lot going on. So you won't be seeing as much of me this week, but I will be back in full force next week. Don't worry about it. Hopefully, maybe I might be going to a flea market this weekend. We shall see. So there will be footage coming up, but yeah, it feels like I have something going on every day, which is wonderful. Okay, guys, thank you so much. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.